Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve access permission denied contact your network administrator when trying to access a file or folder over a shared network. Let's fix the issue guys. Go to File Explorer and go to this PC. And now right click on the drive in which has shared files or folders select you want to select, right click on it and click on properties. You need to click on security tab over here. Just go to security tab, and after that you need to go to permission. To change permission, click edit, click on edit, and here you need to go to add, or you need to add over here group of usernames. You need to add type in here user account or the name you want to allow permission to. I'm doing a sample guys. For example, you need to type in the user account or the name that you want to allow permission. I am typing, for example, at everyone. After typing this your username or name you want to allow permission, after that click on check name, and after that here will be underline over here guys. After that click on OK, and after that here will be added over here, and just you want to permission for everyone. You need to click on here allow everything. You need to allow over here whatever names are not get allowed. You need to click on allow access to that and click apply and OK. After that close out of here guys, and now on the client computer just entered in the IP address or domain you want to connect to. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this tutorial definitely work for you guys. Thanks you so much.